Welcome to our journey through Italy, a land brimming with untold secrets waiting to be uncovered. In this video, we'll dive deep into the enchanting aspects of Italian life that often go unnoticed. From the stunning beauty of Italian women, who embody grace and style, to the diverse tapestry of people that enrich this vibrant nation, there's so much to explore. We'll also take a closer look at unique marriage traditions that reflect the deep-rooted customs and values of various regions, showcasing how love is celebrated in truly Italian ways. But that's not all. Italy's culture is a feast for the senses, and we'll highlight the lively festivals, art, and music that pulse through its cities and countryside. And, of course, we can't forget the food. Each dish tells a story, revealing the history and passion behind Italy's culinary delights. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or just curious about this beautiful country, join us as we uncover the rich culture and hidden gems of Italy. Get ready to be inspired and captivated by the beauty that lies within this remarkable land. Aerial views of Italy. As we soar high above the breathtaking landscapes of Italy, prepare to be mesmerized by the stunning aerial shots that showcase the country's iconic locations. Picture the Amalfi Coast, where vibrant cliffside villages cling to the rugged shoreline, their colorful facades glistening in the sunlight against the deep blue of the Mediterranean Sea. The sweeping views of this coastal paradise are nothing short of magical, inviting you to imagine the salty breeze and the sound of waves crashing below. Next, we glide over the rolling hills of Tuscany, where golden fields of sunflowers and vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see. The patchwork of greens and yellows, dotted with charming farmhouses, creates a picturesque scene that feels like stepping into a painting. These aerial visuals not only highlight Italy's architectural marvels, from ancient ruins to Renaissance masterpieces, but they also evoke a deep emotional connection. Each frame captures the essence of a country rich in history and beauty, inviting viewers to dream of their own Italian adventure. So sit back, relax, and let the stunning imagery transport you to the heart of Italy's enchanting landscapes. The lives of beautiful women. In this segment, we delve into the lives of Italian women, whose stories are woven into the very fabric of the country's cultural heritage. Through intimate interviews with women from various regions, we'll uncover the unique experiences that shape their identities and roles within their families and communities. Each woman brings her own narrative, reflecting the rich diversity of Italy's cultural landscape. From the bustling streets of Florence to the serene countryside of Sicily, these women play vital roles in preserving traditions that have been passed down through generations. We'll highlight their contributions not only to family life, but also to the broader cultural tapestry, showcasing how they keep age-old customs alive. Moreover, we'll shine a light on their involvement in traditional crafts and arts, whether it's hand-weaving textiles, creating intricate ceramics, or mastering the culinary arts. These skills are not just hobbies, they are a testament to their dedication and passion for their heritage. By sharing their stories, we celebrate the resilience and beauty of Italian women, who continue to inspire future generations while keeping the cultural legacy vibrant and thriving. Join us as we honor their invaluable contributions to Italy's rich history. Diversity of people. In this segment, we shine a spotlight on the incredible diversity that defines Italy's population. Through engaging interviews with individuals from various ethnic backgrounds, we'll explore the rich tapestry of cultures that coexist within this beautiful country. From the bustling streets of Rome to the vibrant neighborhoods of Milan, each person brings a unique story that contributes to the collective identity of Italy. We'll discuss how this diversity enriches Italian culture and traditions, blending influences from around the world into the local fabric. Whether it's through music, art, or cuisine, the fusion of different backgrounds creates a dynamic cultural landscape that is both innovative and deeply rooted in history. Additionally, we'll showcase community events that celebrate this diversity, such as multicultural festivals, food fairs, and art exhibitions. These gatherings not only highlight the contributions of various ethnic groups but also foster understanding and unity among different communities. By embracing their differences, Italians create a vibrant society that honors its past while looking forward to a more inclusive future. Join us as we celebrate the diversity of people that makes Italy a truly unique and captivating destination. Unique marriage traditions. In this segment, we delve into the enchanting world of Italy's unique marriage traditions and customs, where each region boasts its own distinct ceremonies and rituals. From the romantic canals of Venice to the sun-kissed hills of Tuscany, we'll explore how local culture shapes the way couples celebrate their love. Through heartfelt interviews with couples, we'll share their personal experiences, revealing the emotions and stories behind their special day. Whether it's a traditional church ceremony or a vibrant outdoor celebration, each wedding reflects the couple's heritage and the rich tapestry of Italian culture. Family and community play a pivotal role in these celebrations, emphasizing the importance of togetherness and support. We'll highlight how families come together to prepare for the big day, from crafting handmade decorations to preparing traditional dishes that have been passed down through generations. These weddings are not just about the couple. They are a communal affair that strengthens bonds and fosters connections. Join us as we uncover the beauty and significance of Italy's marriage traditions, celebrating love in all its forms while honoring the cultural heritage that makes each wedding truly unique. Vibrant culture. In this segment, we showcase the vibrant culture of Italy, a country where every day is infused with celebration and creativity. We'll feature local festivals that bring communities together, such as the colorful Carnevale, where elaborate masks and costumes transform the streets into a lively spectacle, and the historic Palio di Siena, a thrilling horse race that embodies the spirit of competition and tradition. These events are not just celebrations. They are a testament to Italy's rich heritage and communal bonds. As we explore daily life, we'll capture the essence of bustling markets filled with fresh produce, artisanal goods, and the lively chatter of locals. In contrast, we'll also take you to quiet villages where time seems to stand still, revealing the charm of Italian rural life. Music, art, and dance are integral to Italian culture, and we'll highlight how these elements permeate everyday experiences. From street musicians serenading passersby to local art exhibitions showcasing emerging talent, creativity thrives in every corner. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the vibrant culture of Italy, celebrating the traditions and daily joys that make this country a captivating destination for all. Iconic Italian dishes. In this segment, we highlight the iconic Italian dishes that not only tantalize the taste buds but also carry deep cultural significance. We'll take you into the kitchens of skilled chefs and passionate home cooks as they prepare traditional dishes like creamy risotto and decadent tiramisu. Through their expert hands, we'll witness the love and care that goes into each recipe, revealing the secrets behind these beloved classics. As we explore these culinary delights, we'll interview the cooks to share their personal stories and family traditions associated with each dish. These narratives often reflect the heart of Italian culture, where food is a way to connect with loved ones and honor heritage. Moreover, we'll discuss the regional variations that make Italian cuisine so diverse. From the saffron-infused risotto alla Milanese in Lombardy to the coffee-soaked layers of tiramisu originating from Veneto, each dish tells a story of its locale, history, and the ingredients that define it. Join us as we celebrate the iconic dishes of Italy, discovering not just their flavors but the rich cultural tapestry that makes Italian cuisine a true art form. Hidden historical landmarks. In this segment, we invite you to explore Italy's hidden historical landmarks, where each site holds captivating stories waiting to be uncovered. One such gem is the ancient town of Matera, renowned for its unique cave dwellings known as sassi. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a glimpse into a way of life that dates back thousands of years, with winding streets and stunning rock formations that tell tales of resilience and adaptation. We'll also take you to the lesser-known ruins of Pompeii, where the echoes of a once thriving Roman city come alive. While many are familiar with the more popular sites, we'll delve into the lesser explored areas of Pompeii, sharing intriguing historical facts and anecdotes that reveal the daily lives of its inhabitants before the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius. As we uncover these hidden treasures, we encourage viewers to venture off the beaten path and explore these remarkable sites on their own. Each landmark offers a unique perspective on Italy's rich history, inviting you to connect with the past in a way that is both personal and profound. Join us as we celebrate the beauty and significance of Italy's hidden historical landmarks. Fascinating historical sites. As we conclude our journey, we take you on a tour of Italy's most fascinating historical sites, each a testament to the country's rich heritage and cultural significance. First, we visit the iconic Colosseum in Rome, an architectural marvel that once hosted gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. This ancient amphitheater not only symbolizes the grandeur of the Roman Empire, but also serves as a reminder of the complex history that shaped modern Italy. Next, we head to the Leaning Tower of Pisa, a stunning example of medieval architecture that has captured the hearts of visitors for centuries. Its unintended tilt adds to its charm, and the tower stands as a symbol of resilience and ingenuity. These landmarks, along with countless others, are more than just tourist attractions. They are gateways to understanding Italy's past and the cultural narratives that continue to influence the present. We encourage viewers to appreciate these remarkable sites and consider visiting them to experience their beauty and history firsthand. Join us as we celebrate the fascinating historical sites of Italy, inviting you to explore the stories that lie within their walls and the memories they inspire. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of Italy, let's summarize the key takeaways about this enchanting country's rich culture and traditions. From the stunning beauty of its landscapes and the vibrant lives of its people to the unique marriage customs and iconic dishes, Italy is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. We've highlighted the importance of community, family, and the deep-rooted history that shapes Italian identity, showcasing how these elements come together to create a captivating cultural mosaic. We hope you've enjoyed this journey and feel inspired to delve deeper into Italy's wonders. If you found this video informative and engaging, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you more content that celebrates the beauty and diversity of cultures around the world. Don't forget to explore related content on our channel or website, where you can find more insights into Italy's hidden gems, culinary delights, and historical landmarks. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more adventures with you in the future.